Hi, I'm Mr. Mann with Swallows by TC Mahone Quick Bites, and this is my viral dirty spaghetti. Let's cook. Boil pasta as instructed until al dente. Drain but save some of the pasta water. Fry andouille sausage until crispy. Remove andouille sausage from the pan. Now in the same pan, add your ground beef, breaking up the ground beef as it fries. Well, draining the ground beef, move the ground beef to the side and add your veggies. Let veggies simmer for a few minutes before mixing with the ground beef. Now add your seasonings. Add your Worcestershire sauce. Tomato paste. Diced tomatoes. Add back in the andouille sausage. At this point I had to switch to a bigger pan. Add your flour. Now add the beef broth. in the beef onion soup packet. Let simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Now add the pasta with a little bit of that pasta water. Toss until well incorporated. I put a little Parmesan cheese on top. Now let's taste. Just delicious. Vital dirty spaghetti. Flavorful, filling. I gotta get another bite. This is Mr. Mann with Swallows by TC Mahone. Quick bites. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.